Treadmill built is fantastic. Includes lot of other things like twister, dumbbell, massager. With weight 95 to 100 kilograms you can run easily on 10 kmph, but above that speed you will feel track is not smooth. FitKit is ideal for family use. The functions available are more than enough. I am extremely happy with my 1-month experience. However, I would like to suggest to improve the speaker system for a better music experience. New experience after 8 months. Automatic lubricating system is a failure. Excellent product, its value for money. I will recommend go for it, guys. This treadmill is sturdy metal and plastic made. For easy handling and heavy duty workout. I am 24 and my mom is 65. We use it differently, but it's working well to keep body fit and healthy. It comes in affordable price and good service till now. So good treadmill for home use. The build quality is up to the mark. The electronic console has a nice blue-colored LED display. The speakers in the console are loud enough, though the quality of sound is not great. There is a massager also, which has low and high settings, which govern the frequency of vibrations. USB connectivity is missing in the console. The inbuilt fan is just for the namesake, since flow of air cannot be noticed easily. The speed and incline settings are as usual in any other machine. Though the company seems to be service-oriented, the third-party service people are not very prompt in giving the services at remote locations, as observed from the delayed installation by around 9 days after the delivery. There was a creepy sound when the machine was just installed, which is appearing to vanish over time. From this it was learned that the treadmill requires regular spraying of silicone oil under the belt. Folding feature is impressive, while moving the machine is not that easy though it has wheels. From the manual it seems that the machine is China made. The GFIT app is nice, but the lessons having a prolonged high-speed walking lead to painful friction between the thighs. However, it can be said after a deep search over Amazon that this is the most less priced machine while having a good number of features. Totally, I am a happy customer. Edit after around 1.5 years, the treadmill is functioning well. They called me recently to advise a new app named FitPlus. The effectiveness of this app is yet to be seen. They also arranged a live workout training session. The session by Mr. Romesh was very good. Nice care by FitKit. I will update based on my experience with the new app suggested by them. Pros: 1. Speed is good and inclination works perfect. 2. Fan and speaker sound are normal. 3. Massager, twister and dumbbells are +4. No sound or noise even at high speed and inclination. 5. Too many programs and features which makes it a great deal. Cons: 1. Installation has to be more quick. May be delayed due to my location. Overall a great product at good deal from Amazon and FitKit. Can't ask for more features. Winking face. Good product but cost is somewhat more. Delivered within stipulated time, fitted before schedule given. I have tried up to 14 km speed, found satisfactory. No need to search for other manufacturers, just go for this. I found this after long research. Superb. Recently started using it. Should see how long it works nicely. Features are good. Product is quite good with basic needs. Features worth for the price. You can go for it, no doubt in that. At an affordable price, good speed and incline facility, you can go for it. A treadmill which fits right into your sub 30k budget. One that has auto lubrication mechanism, a walking area fair enough for joggers, an included speaker system that allows playing you some beats during your workouts, shock absorption and a sturdy framework that easily handles weight till 120 kgs and it folds when you need some space while this bean. Oh, did I mention the Bluetooth pairing ability within this treadmill via G-Fit app on your Android, iOS device, which by the way has some cool courses to walk, jog and run to. PS I couldn't wait to get started, so watched out the manual and the installation video here on Amazon and the installation team was courteous enough to acknowledge my excitement and still helped in installing the massager unit. This product is worth for money spent. Working smoothly all its functions except its speaker and fan. Fan is for namesake and speaker is not loud enough and substandard. Good product. Easy to use and handle. Takes less space. You can do the workout listening to MP3 music when connected. If Bluetooth connection for MP3 is included then it would boost the item. Nonetheless it is great. Excellent product. Value for money 5-star for product 5-star for INSTALLATION 1 delivery of the treadmill within 48 hours 2 installation within 24 hours free installation 3 excellent after sales service. Customer care people called me up for free installation and to inquire whether the treadmill was running well and whether there was any problem, and has WhatsApp number also. They send me videos of the treadmill on request. 4. The build quality is up to the mark, the speakers in the console are low. Good product. Wow, really nice machine. I ordered on Wednesday and installation finished on Friday. Unbelievable, within 3 days I got this machine. It is working well. There is no issue. Very useful treadmill machine. Superb treadmill. Edited my review after 3-month uses. Very nice working treadmill. Customer service is good, even then are ready to help on WhatsApp. Easy to use and maintenance. Delivery was excellent. All parts well packed with due care. Easy installation. Was thinking of using the toll-free number to get it installed. But then could easily install at home ourselves with the help of my daughter and wife. Click link in description for more reviews.